See, BT has been here for the last 15 years. BT had a three-pronged approach to come into this country. One is India as a domestic market, use India's talent as a back office, also use India as a back-end service operations. Currently, we are operating under NLD license to cover our domestic markets, wherein we have a very strong go-to-market to cover various verticals. As a back office, we do have directly or indirectly 20,000 plus employees here in this country, wherein a lot of partners with Wipro, Infosys, Tech Mahindra, they are partners to provide our back-end services. We also have India as a service, wherein we have our captive center here in Gurgaon to do our captive services, supporting services to our operation globally. See, there are various ways because as far as BT is concerned, we had three-pronged approach. What we did, we thought we need to grow, so we need to grow either by acquiring. So that was our first of the direction we were working with, or by bringing in new proposition in the market, or really aligning with some of our large partners in the country so that we could really have a better coverage in the country. So we went with all the three directions, with all the three perspectives, with all the three models. That's the reason we are growing. So if I have to make a single line statement, yes, it was the downturn didn't have much impact because we were growing in the domestic market as far as BT India is concerned. Let's see what we did. 2 years back, we thought we really need to look at India market differently. So as I said, we went with three-pronged approach. We went with the acquisition strategy to increase our skill set and coverage. We went with the bringing in more propositions here in the market, and we also went with the synergic alliance partnership model. As far as types are concerned, strategic acquisitions are concerned, we acquired I2I, and we had stake in Excel Frontline. So that was the one part of our strategy. As far as new product propositions are concerned, what we did, apart from MPLS, which is our main product which was available in the country, we brought in a lot of value add, a lot of services on top of that, which was security services, which was a lot of voice services or VoIP based services. We brought in CRM services. Plus, as I said, we started aligning with the partners. That was the third leg of our strategies, pillar of our strategy. So what we did, we started building alliances, plus we started getting deeper into different verticals. Earlier we were mainly into IT/ITES segment, but then we slowly went into BFSI, the manufacturing, and also if you see, India is a very important country as part of the global strategy for a lot of large enterprises or top Fortune 500. So once they come in, they need to globalize their business. They need to get connected to the global computing platforms what they have. So hence they use us. So this is how we have been able to grow with the percentages which I just mentioned. As BT is concerned, our focus is only enterprises. We help enterprises to connect globally or steer their business model as they keep growing, or bring that flexibility as they keep growing to the global scene. When we do that, which means they need solutions which are on the global platform. So in our terminology, the partnership is more of a collaboration in terms of either the platforms, because we are across 170 countries, or it's more of product propositions which are sold through that partnership model. So if I give you an example which I just gave it to you, that's a BSNL conferencing solution. Like we have brought the platform, we will bring our managed services on top of that. BSNL will serve their customers using this platform. As BT is concerned, our focus is only enterprises. We help enterprises to connect globally or steer their business model as they keep growing, or bring that flexibility as they keep growing to the global scene. when we do that, which means they need solutions which are on the global platform. So in our terminology, the partnership is more of a collaboration in terms of either the platforms, because we are across 170 countries, or it's more of product propositions which are sold through that partnership model. So if I give you an example, which I just gave it to you, that's a BSNL conferencing solution. Like, we have brought the platform, we will bring our managed services on top of that. BSNL will serve their customers using this platform. See, first of all, BT's strength is the presence in 170 countries. So the moment you are globalizing your business in 170 countries, you need a partner who can really take you to those countries and really can provide you a value-add services on top of a simple MPLS platform. So second is the MPLS platform. Third is that we do offer a suite of services which is voice or high-end video conferencing solutions, so that you can be operationally more efficient and running your businesses across the globe. Recently, we have also launched high-end video conferencing, which can really connect you to different businesses through our exchange, and we are really calling it as a green technology, wherein you can really get connected with half an hour's notice, or if you're using it yours, it's immediately if you have the other side available, and transact your business at a senior level, so that it not only reduces your cost, but also much more efficient, because you can do business like this on a click of button on this high-end video conferencing. And so these are, if I have to say one thing, presence in 170 countries. Being in service provider industry, you have to have back-end support which serves your customer 24/7. And similarly, we do have a lot of NOC operational centers which are in various parts of the world. They run 24/7. As far as our growth is concerned, I think we'll continue with the strategy. Normally, you do build the strategic direction for next 3 years, and we are going in more and more on alliances and partnership. We are bringing in more and more product propositions, and we're also seeing the market is growing very strongly in the country. We are seeing next step of innovation happening out of India, and that innovation is actually going over geographies, and global companies are emerging out of India. So there is an impetus to our business out of India. So with these focus areas, I think we'll keep growing in the country.